अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास 7 कंप्यूटर आपका सिलेबस चैप्टर 2 के यहाँ पे कुछ MCQs हैं। उसकी तरतीब आपके सामने से गुज़र रही है और MCQs के आंसर भी साथ साथ आपके सामने मौजूद हैं। इसके मुताबिक आप अपने MCQs भी तैयार कीजिए और साथ साथ आप इनके सॉल्यूशन को भी लेते जाएंगे। तो ये आपके फ़ाइनल टर्म के एग्ज़ाम के हवाले से आपका कंप्लीट पैकेज है। इसके अंदर फ़ाइनल टर्म के असबाग भी मौजूद हैं। इस चैप्टर नंबर 2 के ये क्वेश्चन मौजूद हैं। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, डिफाइन द टर्म वर्ड प्रोसेसर, गिव सम एग्जांपल ऑफ द वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग प्रोग्राम। आंसर, अ वर्ड प्रोसेसर इज एन एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर यूज फॉर द कंपोजिंग, एडिटिंग, फॉर्मेटिंग एंड प्रिंटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट। और इसकी एग्जांपल मौजूद है यहाँ पे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, एप्पल आई वर्क, गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स, लिब्रे ऑफिस। Question number 2. List 3 ways to view screen in the Microsoft Word. Number 1, read mode. Number 2, print layout view. Number 3, web layout. Question number 3. Write down the purpose of the 3 insert option available in the insert tab of the Microsoft Word. Number 1, insert tab. It is used to insert table in the documents. Number 2, insert text box. It is used to insert text box in the document. Number 3, inserting symbol. It is used to insert different symbol in our documents. 4 question. Write down the purpose of the multimedia presentation. Answer, multimedia presentation is used to convey your thoughts and opinion to the audience in an effective way. It is mostly used in the business and school presentations. Question 5. Differentiate between the term slide and slideshow. Answer, a slideshow is a single page of the presentation. Collectively, a group of slides may be known as a slide deck. Slideshow. A slideshow is an exhibition to the series of the slide or image in the electronic device or in a projection screen. Question number 6. Write the procedure to add the picture background effect to the presentation. Answer, 1. Right click to the margin of the slide and then select format background. Number 2, in the format background plane, choose picture or texture field. Number 3, under insert picture from, choose where to get the picture from. Number 4, to adjust the picture relative lightness, a slide of the transparency bar to the right. Number 5, to apply the background picture to all slide in your presentation. 7 questions. Sketch the steps to add a new slide to a presentation. Answer, insert new slide. To insert the new slide into the presentation, follow the step below. Question 8. Define the term email and write the use of email address. Electronic mail is a method of exchanging message between the people using the electronic device. It offers to efficient, expensive and real-time mean communication. Question 9. Define any two of the following options used in the composing the email: to, CC, BC and signature. Here is the answer. CC stand for the carbon copy, BC stand for the blank carbon copy. Next question number 10. Write down the purpose of the inbox: send, trash, spam. Inbox, it is a default folder where all the incoming or received email are stored. Number 2, send, keep the record of the all outgoing or sent message. Number 3, trash, all the delete email are sent to trash folder. Number 4, spam, it is a folder where undesired and suspicious email are sent. Label the appended button in the paragraph and font type, font style, font size, line spacing, bold, underline, italic and alignment. Email. Electronic mail is method of the exchanging messages between people using electronic device. It offers an efficient, inexpensive and real-time mean of communication. Email address. An email address is unique identifier for an email account. It is used to send and receive email message over the internet. Username and password. A username is a name that uniquely identifies someone on a computer system, and a password is a word or string character used for user authentications to prove identity or access approval to gain access to email addresses. Email protocols. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. POP3, Post Office Protocol 3. Authentication. It is the process to identify a user who wants to access or a system, network or device. Authentication can be done by the username and password PIN, using a token such as the bank card, and a PIN using biometrics such as the fingerprint. Some common shortcut keys. Design type. The design type consists of the format, the layout, and the theme of the documents to make it attractive, to make it the further appealing. Page background and the color scheme can also be applied to the design tab. Unit number 5, digital citizenship. Starting the MCQs, look at MCQs as well as the answer of MCQs. Describe major online activity, social networking, connecting with others on the platform like the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Online banking, managing financial transactions, paying bills, and checking accounts online. Number 3, internet surfing, browsing and exploring various websites for information, news, and entertainment. Number 4, audio and video conferencing, participating in the virtual meeting, webinars, and online classes. Number 5, online entertainment, watching movies, TV shows, and videos on platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Hola. Number 6, map direction and GPS, using online map and navigation system for the direction and the location tracking. Online shopping, buying products and services from e-commerce websites like Amazon, Walmart, and more. Online information sharing, sharing accessing information on platforms like blogs, forums, and social media. Medical assistance, assessing healthcare services, consulting doctors, and getting medical information online. Playing video games with other or solo on the platform like the Steam, Xbox, and PlayStation. Positive and negative impact of social media. Here is written positive impact, and other side written some negative impacts. You must choose from 3 positive impact as well as from 3 negative impacts. Here is written cybercrime law and punishments of Pakistan. Now starting the chapter number 6, MCQs. Check the MCQs and also see the correct answer. Short question: what is design thinking process. Design thinking is the process for creative problem solving which leads to better products or internal process. Short question number 2. Explain the stage of design thinking process. Following are the stage of design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and fifth one is test. Here look at answers. How do you empathize the design thinking? Answer: we do the empathize by the conducting the research, by the observing and consulting with the user, know the exact requirement of the user. These are most important question. Look at every part of these questions. This is the core syllabus. Chapter number 1, artificial intelligence, biometric, 3D and holographic. Chapter number 3, algorithm, describe problem solving process, analyzing, identify problem, solution development, as well as ideal solutions. Chapter number 4, problem control block in Scratch. Loops is also important. Repeat command, syntax and also examples. Repeat until command, syntax and examples also. Forever command. Thanks for watching Learn with Tahir.